Hey guys, I'm here with another video. In this video I'm going to talking about Lava Z40 and Red Go phone. So before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and stay updated with the latest tech videos. Okay, so Lava Z40 that runs on Android Go version of Android 8.1 Oreo OS is fitted with a 4-inch display. The display of the phone is shielded by a Gorilla Glass layer. The Z4 is driven by an octa-core processor that works at 1.4 GHz. The SoC is supported by a 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. The smartphone supports for 10 Indian languages. The addition of different apps consume less space on the device. Moreover, there is a data saver feature for cutting down the mobile data consumption. It also features a single camera of 2 megapixels on its rear, which is assisted by an LED flash. Placed on the front is an LED-enabled 2 megapixel selfie shooter. It is packed with 2250 mAh battery. The Lava Z40 that carries a price tag of 3499 Indian rupee comes with 1 year warranty. The handsets can be purchased in 2 colors such as black and gold. So what are you thinking about this Lava Z4? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also subscribe my channel if you're new here. I will catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.